Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I'm going to show you how to create these super cute and easy chocolate covered strawberry nails that I thought would be perfect for Valentine's Day. So let's get right into it. First up on all my nails, I'm going to be using this polish from Salon called Salsa Dance. It's a one coater and here I've already put it on. Right now I'm going in with yellow acrylic paint and putting little elongated dots, you could say. These do not have to be consistent. They don't have to be evenly spaced or anything, but I've kind of used my same method that I use for dotting. So I will start in the middle, go down, and then I will offset the next row, and that is what I've gone with. Granted, no strawberries can be perfect and concise like that, so if you want to mix it up and do it mix matched however you want, that is perfectly fine for this design. And you also do not have to make these little lines exactly the same shape each time. If one's a little weaker in color, that's okay. It kind of just adds to the realisticness of it, in my opinion. And once that is done, it is time to let that little bit dry and move on to the next stage. For this next stage, we're going to add in the leaves that you have at the top of the strawberry. I am starting off with kind of like a Christmas tree green acrylic paint, and I am just loosely putting on leaves. There's no specific way you have to do this. You just want to make sure that you have your whole like cuticle area covered in the green. You don't want any red peeking through, because I mean, if it's all green, it's gonna look more realistic, like it's the real leaves hanging over. Then after this little green section is dried, we're actually gonna go in with like a lighter grass green and just add a little illusion of texture. Now I'm going to take some brown acrylic paint on the same brush I was using earlier and kind of just swish the brush on the tip of my nail every which way. This does not have to be precise or anything. I kind of actually like the little bit of red peeking through, so you don't want to make this like 100% brown at the tip, but I feel like if you leave a little red here and there, it's like you kind of took the strawberry and swirled it into some chocolate, and it just has more of a texturized look. After that is all dry, it is time to put on your favorite top coat. This would look great shiny or matte. Today I was just really feeling the shiny vibe, so that is all you do for this look, and here is the final overall look on all of your nails. Of course, you don't have to do this on all of your nails. You could totally do this as an accent nail and it would be super cute. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how to create these. I actually did these a few years ago and I didn't like them when I did them then, but now I'm really enjoying them. So thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and be sure to check back tomorrow for another new video, and it may or may not be strawberry themed as well. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see y'all later.